In a forgotten time, after the destruction of Tripura, a great disturbance happened in the space element of the world. From the bad thoughts of people, dark forces were born. They disturbed the life energy of the earth and broke the power of the sages. These were not normal demons. They were shadow Rakshasas. They hunted with illusion and confusion. The gods tried to fight them, but nothing worked. The weapons of the gods and the mantras of the sages failed. These beings lived by eating pride, arrogance and confusion. The gods did not know what to do. They prayed to Lord Shiva, but even the Shiva ganas sent by him could not stop the shadow Rakshasas. Then Lord Shiva appeared in 64 forms. They were called Bhairavas. Each Bhairava was a power of time, direction, sound or element. They were not created by anyone. They came directly from the mind and will of Shiva. Each Bhairava had a mantra that no one had heard before and a sound never felt before. Among them were Krodha Bhairava, full of courage; Asitanga Bhairava, dark and strong; Vajra Bhairava, bright like thunder; and finally, Kala Bhairava, the lord of time. The 64 Bhairavas needed a sacred place. A land not created by Brahma, not protected by Vishnu, not touched by illusion or karma. There was only one such place, Arunachala, the hill of fire, the mountain that has no birth. Shiva had already said, Arunachala is not just a hill, it is the light of my heart. During the southern path of the sun, when darkness was at its highest, the Bhairavas came down to Arunachala. Each Bhairava took one direction, one rock, and one cave as his home. Together they formed a circle of fire. It was called the Yatra of Rudra Bhumi. A great Yagna began there, but it was not done with wood or ghee. Fire came from each Bhairava himself. The sky became the altar. The impurities of the world became the offering. Powerful mantras filled the air. At the end of the Yajna, the shadow Rakshasas came one by one and entered the holy fire. The world lost its darkness and became filled with light. It is said that some rocks of Arunachala became black because of that fire. The soil became full of divine energy. Even today, people who walk around the hill with faith and focus see visions and feel peace and wonder. When the Yajna was over, 63 Bhairavas spread to different parts of the universe. But Kala Bhairava stayed in Arunachala. Why? Because time means bondage. But in Annamalai, all bondage ends. So Kala Bhairava stayed to protect that freedom. That is why he became the guardian of Tiruvannamalai. He has no separate temple. He stands in unseen form along the outer path of the hill. There he burns away the pride and ego of people in the fire of his time knowledge. Even today, in some caves of Arunachala, near Skandashram and the northern parts, people can feel the energy of Bhairava. The ashes found inside the mountain are said to be from that great Bhairava Yajna. Some saints and Aghori masters meditate on Arunachala as the land of Bhairava. This is not against the peaceful path of sages like Ramana Maharshi. In fact, Bhairava worship completes that path. To find true peace inside, ego must end. Illusion must disappear. And for that, the grace of Bhairava is the only help.